This is very swollen. This is very inflamed, very quick. It shouldn't be this much.
And that's where we parked our car last night because we had no parking.
Last night, we arrived at the Wilderness Hotel and there was no parking whatsoever. So what did we do, Steven?
We parked in where you drive through the hotel here.
And they were okay with that because there wasn't much else to do.
I parked here.
Let's go to the beach!
To the beach.
Today we are exploring a little bit around Wilderness. We thought of just going for a drive, seeing the beaches and looking at houses. There are massive, beautiful houses around this area. There are a lot of tourists as well because it faces the sea. This whole wilderness area is surrounded by water and it's beautiful. We came to this cute restaurant here in the town of Sedgefield along the garden route. Someone told us this restaurant is really good and we are really keen on trying it. Look at my hubby, so tired. We went to sleep really late last night because there was an accident on the road and we sat there for at least 1 hour. We checked in at the hotel pretty late already. It was past 12, so we are very tired. Hopefully this food will bring us some energy back so that we can end today with a lot of good activities.
Wow.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh wow. This is called espetada because it's a Portuguese dish. And the juices from the meat are dripping straight onto the bun and fries.
I think there's also some garlic, there we go, some garlic butter there as well. You see? You just leave it there and that melts. The garlic butter melts and it drips down onto the
Oh my god.
Portuguese roll and fries.
This is super soft. This is very good.
Very distinct flavor.
It was delicious. We are going to the beach now, on the way to our B&B. It's a bit chilly. We're still going to the water.
We want to swim. We want to swim.
We are dedicated.
So we're in Sedgefield area, and the Sedgefield area is a beautiful area. You'll see as we go some of the beautiful houses and that sort of thing. It's quite in some areas it's quite an upper class area, very touristy.
They have many trees, like tall trees with flowers, and it's beautiful.
Can we film your dog?
Hello!
Get ready for YouTube.
We don't know if we are really swimming because it's quite chilly now and it's gonna rain soon. But at least we came for a walk on the beach.
Let's see the beach. Wow, beautiful beach. Look down there. Amazing. beautiful beach. Wow, long.
This is beautiful.
It's amazing. As far as the eye can see, almost it's like amazing.
Now
This-
I can tell people I've been to the beaches in South Africa.
And they are something. Beaches in South Africa are something. Naz, please. Whoa, quick. I didn't get it all, but I got you once you're in. You okay?
I felt my knee. Does it look a bit swollen to you? I turned my back against the waves and my knee's swollen now. But that will not steal the fun I have.
Tell me if it's sore this one.
No. I fell on my knee.
Now on the beach.
Yeah. But it was just.
It got swollen like
Yeah, this is-
almost immediately.
This is very swollen. Like
Yeah.
normally I would say
But it's very
put
quick.
some ice on it, rest. Because, but this is very, very inflamed very quickly. Like you say, how long? 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago?
Like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, it shouldn't be this much. This is very, very, very inflamed. You can see the veins coming out on it already.
Okay, so what do you suggest us do?
Go to a general GP, like a doctor,
Where-
general
where is-
practitioner.
Where can we find
Let's see, the medical clinic. It's about 2 kilometers away from here. Direction, 6 minutes drive. It's the muscles that hold your patella this in place.
Yeah.
So you might have like overextended it and you fell, and that's like
Okay.
it's clotting blood cells in there. That's why it's like swelling up. But this is a lot. Like I haven't seen it grow swell this.
Great, thank you. Let me get the stuff out.
Cause panic and stuff.
I think it's getting better already.
Yeah, it is.
How's wifey doing?
It was nothing serious. Got some ice and I just insisted on putting ice. Steven got me some ice from the store.
prayed for it.
We prayed for it and my knee is a lot better. It's just red from the ice and quite sore. But hey, it's part of the adventure. Now we are heading to our room that we rented, a B&B at a horse farm. I'm so excited. I love horses. And there we go. Dirt road.
It's a bumpy road, this. It's got like these grooves.
Didn't expect this place to be so far out.
Yeah, on the gravel road. Along a long gravel road.
Can't complain. It feels like you're riding a horse.
There might be a quicker route.
Every time I see an old abandoned building, I always wonder what the history behind it is.
Across the little river. And here we are. Let's see. Hi, it's Steven for the Airbnb.
So I think we are staying in one of these, right?
Hello.
Hello! This is such a small space, but it doesn't feel small because it was so well designed and it's so cute. It's a cabin. This is a bedroom. Over here is the kitchen. A nice little sink to wash your stuff. And speaking about stuff, kitchen utensils, we have some knives and spoons here. And very minimal cutlery. I love how minimal it is. All of the furniture here are solid wood furniture. Follow me into the bathroom. Wow. Yeah, when we arrived here, I was like, I was shocked because I didn't expect this. They don't only have a tub, but they also have a shower. And it's a very good sized shower, by the way. And we have a very nice, quaint, old style rack to hold the towels. And I really like how they just follow the same design, like the same pattern for all the curtains. Let's open this. I'm sure it will look beautiful during the day. I just don't know how to open, and I will not try because I don't want to break it. Everything here is tastefully decorated. So let's see what Steven bought from the shop while I was in the car with ice on my knee. So low-fat milk, all bran flakes, carrot juice, turmeric infused, some cream for my knee, thank you, hubby. We have some chicken and some salad. Oh, you bought quite a beautiful salad. We will eat now. See you guys, bye. Good morning! We had a very good night's sleep and now it's time to show you the outside of this beautiful tiny house. I think we can call it a tiny house. It has a very natural stone look on the walls and the windows really match the stone look. And they have a little veranda outside as well, which they call stoep here in South Africa. And they have a little braai. Here they don't call barbecue, they call barbecue braai. So very good South African, every good South African have a braai every now and then and very often. And I guess we will be very sorry we didn't stay here for much longer because we need to go. So the manager was telling us that this manor house is the original building from 1885 and all the other houses were built to mimic the stone work on this house. So this house used to be a normal manor and now it's a guest house.
So Gift, you are from Malawi?
Yes, I'm from Malawi.
Okay, and your name is Gift? Gift from God?
From God. Gift.
Great.
Gift of the
And you,
giver.
where are you taking us now to see?
I'm going to take you to picnic area and we are almost here.
Okay.
It's just,
Wow.
This is so beautiful.
This is a beautiful view.
No, you can go.
Yeah, no, it's right. There's a lot of space here. Just come.
No, just
Come,
don't
go.
touch me. Don't touch me. I will come, but just
You don't need to be scared of heights.
from behind you.
Yeah, well, it's quite a deep area
Be
down there.
careful where
Yeah,
you
yeah.
walk, please.
I will. Wow, you got to see this, Naz. It
No,
is
no,
phenomenal.
no.
Wow. This is phenomenal. There's water down here.
Please, Stephen, be careful walking there.
Wow.
My word, and you even have a table here. How did they bring this table up here? This is
Well,
very
you gotta
beautiful.
see
Stephen,
this,
no,
man.
please. Stephen.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Hi.
There's a water way down there. You can see.
Stephen, please come out of the edge.
Way down there. Come stand here.
No, I'm good sitting here. Thank you.
Are you scared of the height?
Of course.
You're not scared of heights, Gift?
No, I'm scared too. Very scared too.
So do you have lots of family, Gift, in Malawi?
Yeah, I have a family.
Very cool, very cool. Nice, nice. I hope you don't mind being on video.
No.
Cute. Look how sweet.
Beautiful forest.
As we were driving along this gravel road, we saw this bush with this interesting
Fruits
fruit
or
on,
something.
or whatever that is.
It's amazing.
Does any of you guys know about this plant? If you do, please tell us on the comments below.